Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange and Delta.exchange not visible, now it's visible. I could not do post market report yesterday and as well as pre-market report today because I was flying back from Bali to Singapore. Now I am back to Singapore and from now you can expect regular updates. First thing, today Nifty went almost close to 18,000 and Nifty hit a high of 17,965. That's just 35 points away from 18,000. Current month future, okay, but next month future I'll cross already 18,000. So with this, Nifty has recovered almost its entire losses of 2022. And 2022 I can say it's just like another Lehman Brothers collapse and coronavirus. And this US inflation data, US recession, inflation data, all the global developed economies inflation data, they all like created a hell lot of problems. In January, we were around 18,000 and now we are again back to 18,000 and after 8 months. But in between, it went to 16.4, 18.3, 15.7, 18.2, 15.2, all over the places. But we still have another 4 more months to go in this calendar year. So let us see what happens. FIIs were continuously selling for 9 months since last October. But Nifty came down from 18,600 to 15,200. But just last 1.5 months, they've been buyers, and in fact, they did not even buy 1/10 of what they have sold. But despite that, Nifty has recovered almost its entire losses. So this shows that our market is very, very resilient. So 2022, I can say treacherous here. The markets, volatile in both the sides. Okay, so that we will discuss in another video. So now let us come back to today's trade. And today's trade was very, very good. And in the morning, I have seen, HDFC Bank down, Kotak Bank was down, TCS down, Infosys down. But despite that, that top 7 stocks, and most of them are down. But despite that, the markets were very, very firm. And later, HDFC started recovering, other stocks also started recovering. Afternoon, around 12:30, European market opened, they all opened negative. The US futures were negative. And I thought, there will be some kind of, some profit booking, at least towards the end of the day, but nothing happened. In fact, the short covering only has happened. The Bank Nifty shot up and crossed 39,500 in the last half an hour. Of course, last 10-15 minutes there was some selling. So our market moving higher despite the negative global cues is something to celebrate about it. FIIs were continuously buying. For the 11 consecutive trading sessions they have been buyers, and today also they have bought for 1,510 crore, 2,347 crores, sorry. So it's more than 2,000 crores. While the domestic institutions have sold for 510 crores. And today, all the indices were higher except auto index. But despite that, Hero MotoCorp has done very well. So, day before yesterday, the result came. So, that means like last Friday, the results came. And Monday also it went up. And today also it has shot up significantly. So, this shows that, Hero may become an hero in future. So coming back to US market, so at 6 p.m. retail sales data came. The retail sales data was slightly negative, but whereas core sales data was better than expected. So overall we can say it's a non-event. And now the US markets will be looking for US Fed minutes, which will be released at 11:30 p.m. Indian time. So Dow Jones has shot up for 5 continuous trading sessions. So therefore definitely there will be some profit booking, so markets can come. But any profit booking will be a good buying opportunity, but our market is not even giving 100-200 point drop for the people to go long. So looking at the open interest, I think 15.9 seems to be a very good support unless US markets fall drastically today. Today I'm going to discuss about one stock. I discussed about Muthoot Finance and it has done very badly. I expected Muthoot Finance to go up, but on the contrary, it has fallen more than 10% on that day. Today I'm looking at one stock, that is GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Fertilizers and Chemicals. So this stock, it came with a good results, and the price has gone significantly. I think I was told some ammonia prices are doing very well in the world markets. So that is one of the reasons why GNFC is doing very well for the last few months. So today it added huge open interest. So tomorrow, if the market is bullish, but we don't know whether the market will be bullish or not. If the market is bullish, then we can look at GNFC. Always, if you are a short-term trader, play with a stop loss. So otherwise, you would have got caught in stock like Muthoot Finance. So have some stop loss, but this is the momentum stock I am looking for tomorrow's action, provided US markets closes positive and our market is also positive. So let us hope tomorrow we will reach 18,000. So it is time to celebrate for the bulls, early Diwali. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.